vote for her. This whole event is brought to you by AS Spoon and Yamaha, and you can get all these beautiful bikes from AS Spoon and Yamaha. All right, R8. Lovely seeing you right over there at the other corner. What is your name?
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Kit. I'm R8.
Kit, how old are you?
Turning 19 this year.
Turning 19. Wow, that's fantastic. What do you hope to do in future?
What do I hope to do in future? I think I'll try SIA. Yeah, I would like to travel all around the world.
What do you like most about traveling, or which are the countries that you have visited so far?
Actually, not many, only the nearer countries around Singapore. I like traveling because I can get to know all sorts of people, to know their culture and stuff. Yep.
What do you like about culture? Do you like the food or how they think? Ah, their food. So what is your favorite country besides Singapore so far?
I like to go to Penang because they have really nice laksas, curry noodles, etc. Actually, I'm half a Malaysian because my dad is from Malaysia as well. So I often go back to Malaysia.
To Penang, I suppose?
Yeah, Penang.
I love the Penang laksa right over there. That's really fantastic. All right, now you have 20 seconds to pose with the bike, and you put down your microphone and look gorgeous and hard. She looks like she's a rider as well. I wonder if she can ride all the way back to Penang on the bike. That's very tiring, yes. We've gone all the way up to Thailand on the bike before. That's a very, very exciting one. You can check out motor culture. They always have rides all the way up. Very exciting indeed. All right, thank you very much, R8. And now finally for our tallest contestant as well, we have R9. Hi.
Hi.
Tell us more about yourself.
My name is Nicole. I'm Eurasian and New Zealand. Mom from Singapore. Yeah, and I'm turning 20 this year.
Well, Nicole, can you tell me what is your favorite hobby at this moment?
Right now, I'm just keeping up school, because I study media, so we're doing filming. So, my freelance modeling is actually helping me and my school progress. So, it's a more wider range of media studies.
When you're doing filming, do you mean you're behind or in front of the camera? Or both?
In front.
In front?
Usually, I'm usually the one in class who's in front of the camera.
You're probably the ones